Originally, this bass line is played by a cellist, and it's all he or she plays throughout the whole song, repeating it over and over again. Pretty boring for the cellist. Fortunately for us, we'll be playing the chords and the melody on top of that. But we should always be able to hear the bass line as if it was played by a solo cellist. So first, practice just the bass line. Make sure that the notes are legato. Legato meaning each note lasts until the next note starts without overlapping it.